Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by evaluating whether your name is distinctive and protectable. Consider coined or arbitrary marks for strongest protection. Conduct a comprehensive trademark search before filing. Use the USPTO test database, common law searches, and Google to find conflicts. Include state filings and domain names. Select a strong, distinctive name rather than descriptive terms. Decide the correct international class and list goods or services precisely. Wrong class choices can delay registration. Record dates of first use in commerce and intent to use decisions to support your application strategy. When ready to file, pick TS plus 50 for stricter requirements or TS standard 50 for more flexibility. The fee is per class. Choose between filing a use-based application with a date of first use in commerce or an intent-to-use application that later submits a statement of use. Provide owner details exactly as the legal entity appears and include a clear specimen showing use in commerce with the mark for goods or services. Respond promptly to any office actions to avoid abandonment. After filing, monitor the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board and USPTO correspondence. A typical office action response deadline is 6 months, so respond promptly to avoid abandonment. If registered, file a declaration of use between years 3 and 4 and renew every 10 years. Failure to file maintenance documents will cancel the registration. Monitor for infringement using watch services or manual checks, and enforce rights by sending cease and desist letters or pursuing litigation if necessary. Keep accurate records of licensing, assignments, and continuous use in commerce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.